what was the temperature yesterday when we were coming up the road?
It varied. I think the lowest it got was 11, and the highest it got was 16.
Alright.
Today, so far, the lowest we've had is 11, and the highest we've had is 14.
Right.
And it's kind of fluctuated between the two extremes, mostly been about 12 or 13 most of the time. Definitely, I mean, each time we went into these rain showers, the temperature's dropped about 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Very noticeable. God, it's beautiful, mature trees, you know, not plantation.
Just huge.
Yeah, just proper trees, if you know what I mean. They've not been put.
Huge.
Yeah, they've not been put there purely for the timber. It's just part of the natural landscape, eh?
Yeah. Is this still Loch Cluanie?
No, that's not way back there.
So what's this now?
No idea. What, something or other. Excuse me. Have to look it up afterwards and see what it is. Might be Loch Garry, because that's Invergarry back there, so it could be Loch Garry. Yeah. Because Inver's usually between two lochs or two rivers. So if you think Invergarry is between this Loch Garry potentially, and that other one back there that had the loch, the locks on it. So. Nice, eh?
It's lovely, yeah.
Look at the road here, it's still damp, but it's like it's hardly rained at all. Yeah, that must have had that downpour on it. Oh, look at that. A nice colour of blue that Range Rover is. To the left up here. Then we turn away from this one. Wow, look at that scene. Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's the other one that competes with this one. More luggage space.
Yeah, that's fun.
That was amazing, eh?
Absolutely nice.
assure you, it only gets better.
Oh, it's very beautiful at the moment.
I know, but it gets better, believe it or not. And the road as well.
Yeah.
Smooth, beautiful.
Best view's looking back.
Ah, well, we can get that with a camera then, hopefully. I can't see it, but something I might be able to incorporate into the subsequent videos. You know? Not many, darling, I can't retain all the names in my head before I go.
Sorry?
There's that many, I can't retain all the names
Yeah.
in my head before I go. I think it's Cluanie, I think it's what Cluanie is. Cluanie or Cluanie. Last time I was down here, it was brilliant, blue sky, about 22 degrees.
Well, it's certainly not that today.
No, it's not. Still stunning views.
Oh, yeah. So,
What's the point of coming if you know it?
eh?
What's the point of coming if you already know it?
Oh, you know.
But seeing it with your own eyes, isn't it? It's not like seeing it on film or something.
I can't hear it.
So it's seeing it with your own eyes,
Yes.
isn't it? It's, our eyes have a wider field of view than good cameras. It's waterfalls.
Massive, isn't it? It's nice, there's a bit of blue sky at least.
Yeah. It's just a gorgeous road to ride on. It's smooth. Not too tight of bends, nice
Yeah.
surface, beautiful view.
And the quality of road, as you
Yeah.
say.
I mean, why would you want to be screaming down it, you know?
Yeah. That's a big dam.
Yeah. Big reservoir.
Certainly is.
I say it's unusual and it's got a dam at that end and a dam at this
Yeah.
end. I think that's unusual anyway.
It is.
Just seems to go on and on. Look at that up there on the right.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Ah, that's some view.
I don't know what it's like looking back.
Well, it's like, I think it's better looking back, as you see. Yeah.
Well, let's see. The road doesn't change straight away, but you watch the scenery change. Past these woods. Start going down this big, huge climb. The ground just drops away here. Not ready to see it. Just drops away down that glen.
Okay.
That's where we're going away down there.
What?
Way through that gap down there. I wonder what battle was down here with that sign. That sign means there's a battle site down.
Means what?
It means there's a battle site down here somewhere. But just looking at the terrain, you think, where the hell was a battle held here? There you go. Let's see what it says. Glen Shield. There must be a battle of Glen Shield at some point. There you go. Just found out what it's called.
There you go. Glen Shield.
Glen Shield. Can you imagine before the advent of a road like this? This would have been a pretty tough place to get. Oh, there's the original road probably over there. That's one for Wikipedia later on, isn't it?
Can't hear you, what?
That's the one for Wikipedia later on, the Battle of Glen Shield.
Glen Shield.
The height of these things in front of us as well, eh? God.
Yeah.
If we think this is impressive, eh? Imagine what it's going to be like when we go through the Alps.
Yes.
Breathtaking is just not going to describe it. Because the roads will be up there. You know what I mean? That's where the roads will be, looking down. Beautiful, eh? The boat. Ah, tide well out. God. It's just unusual to see.
Looks like it's a wreck. These are
That's what it looks like, aye. I don't recall seeing these here before though.
These are wrecks.
They weren't sitting there before, Susan.
Well, they are now.
I know what I'm just saying. I think we go right round like that and then head back down that way. Yeah, round the end of the loch here, see?
Alright,
Look down to your left, you'll see.
yeah.
Especially when you go across the bridge area, the causeway thing.
So what was this called?
This place? Right here.
No, what was the lock? What was...
This loch is a different
No,
loch.
you just said it back there.
No, back there was Glen Shield.
Glen Shield.
I don't know what this loch, I can't remember what this loch's called. tides in, it must fill that up as well, see?
It's nice to the right as well.
There you go. On here.
Yes.
It's just brightening up as we get there. There can be only one, darling.
Of course.
Healing takeaway.
Hi there.
Hi. Hi.
Parking is free for motorcycles.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.